2-component homemade syrup for reversing cough and clearing phlegm from lung area. The body produces mucus, also it can produce about 1 to 1.5 liters of phlegm every day. When you're healthy, the mucus is generally clear and minimal. However, when coughing bigger levels of phlegm, it might indicate some infection or allergic reactions. Hence, the respiratory system becomes irritated and triggers an intolerable cough. Very advantageous vegetables that are a wealthy supply of vitamina and B carotene and are important for that eye health are carrots. They're also rich in B vitamins, C and K, and various minerals like iron, potassium, magnesium, manganese, magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Preparation. Take half a kilogram of carrot and 4 spoons of honey. Dice the carrots into small pieces and put these questions pot. Fill the pot with water before the carrots are submerged and boil until they soften. Take them off in the pot, keep your leftover water, and mash all of them with a fork or spoon. Combine the remaining carrot water together with your honey. Combine the honey carrot water using the mashed carrots and blend. Store in winter. Usage. This combine could be consumed regularly. Take 34 spoons from it each day, and should you be struggling with any respiratory system problems to start to feel a positive change following the first or second day.